how to build multiple sources of online income so you can travel more, have more time for your friends and family, and have just more freedom in general to do whatever you want. Well, you don't start building like 5 at once. You start with just one, right? And then you add another one, and then another one. That first has to be like successful, and then you can move to the next one. And I would recommend you to get started with something easier, because, like, for example, one of my sources of income is online courses, but it takes a lot of time to develop skills to record videos and a microphone, record your screen, and all of that. I started as a consultant, right? So that was my first source of income. I was doing consulting services for a client, with recurring payouts, right? That's important. Like, if you would like to transition from your job to online business, then you need something recurring, because otherwise you will not be able to pay your monthly bills. And so you can become consultant if you have some expertise, or you can quickly learn something. And so then I found another client and another, and then when I had enough clients, when it was already successful, then I started building digital courses and affiliate marketing, right? And if you don't want to be a consultant, if you don't want to offer services, it's not something you want to get started with, then there is an option to do affiliate marketing, which is even easier in many ways, because you don't have to build anything, you don't have to do basically anything, just promote the product that you like, that you feel comfortable promoting, that delivers a great value to the marketplace. And if you don't know which one to get started with, then you can check out like what I'm promoting, right? And choose something from that. Or you can feel free to reach out to me. I always love to get I always love having back and forth messages with you guys and having that conversation, especially with someone who is just getting started. I allow people who are just getting started to become free and just to have more fun in life, right? Because imagine if you are spending Monday to Friday or even to Saturday every day, like 9 to 5, in a job you don't like, you are wasting like 1/3 of your life. And the second third is your sleep, and you have very little time left to spend on things you enjoy, right? So your work fills large amount of your life, so you want to do something that gives your life meaning and purpose. And you don't want to you want to get started ASAP, because there are many people who keep saying like, I will start my business next year, and they never start, right? And another source of income can be like a YouTube channel, but it's a lot of work, and it can take 2-3 years till you start earning some cash from your YouTube channel, like directly from ads. Another thing is like promoting, making reviews about the affiliate product and putting your link, so that way you can start earning cash from that channel like within a couple videos you record. Well, it depends on your skills, and it always takes a skill, everything you do, right? So you need to practice and keep creating. This is not something that I would recommend you to get started with, because you will be disappointed how much work it takes, and you will see rewards late. Like even my channel, like I have already like over 1,000 subscribers, but it's still not monetized because you also need like watch time, 4,000 hours at the time you're watching this video. The conditions can change, so it's not what I recommend you to get started with. If you like being on camera, then you can definitely do it, but there are easier ways. Another cool thing is, like, within one source of income you can have multiple sources. Like, for example, you are promoting like one affiliate product, like one company, that you will start getting commissions from that, and then you add like new company, and so you can have like 2 or 3 sources of like affiliate commission sources from 3 different companies. And more diversified you are, the better, because one company decides to cancel their program and you will lose your cash flow. So, but who cares? You have 2 other companies that brings you cash flow. Like, it's great to focus on the products or the companies that offers like recurring commissions, right? Because you need to have that monthly payments to pay off those bills. And so would I like to partner with companies that have recurring commissions, high ticket offers, and yeah, those 2 are really important. The recurring, to have that monthly payouts, and high tickets where you actually make money, because it's easier to sell $1,000 product than $110 products, right? It's still it's still harder to sell $1,000 product, but not 100 times harder than $10 product. And yeah, so get started today. Like, the sooner you start, the sooner you can quit your 9 to 5 and live the way you choose. Okay, let me know below in the comments what source of income, like what kind of business you will get started with. Like, what will be the first online income that you will build. Let me know. Hit the like if you got some value from this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And yeah, it's hard work, and most important is to just never give up. So I remember one of my first payouts, actually it was like the first ever, like online, was from Google AdSense. So I was building this blog, and took a long time. Like, I published like 8 articles that took me, every article took me like a day to write, and I didn't know what I was doing. And after weeks of publishing those articles, I made like $3. I remember, like, Google AdSense paid me $3, but so it was nothing, right? But it made me realize that I can do it, that I can generate that cash online. So even if it's $1, like, remember, most people never generate a single dollar online, so be proud of it if you do. And make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. It's all there, like everything. You can like pick a business you want to get started with, go check out videos I've created on that topic, and start today. Start building it today. And I have paid programs as well if you would like to get more help, and you can check out that too. And or we can you can hop on the call too, right? I would love to get to know you. So it's on my website. You can go to mariojurik.com/calendar and we can talk on Zoom. Would love to get to know you. And if you have any questions whatsoever about the video I'm talking today, then just leave it below. I reply to every comment. Okay? So if you hear dogs in the background, there are dogs here everywhere. So it's kind of funny. Okay, subscribe to the channel and now you can watch this next video I prepared for you and you are gonna love it. Okay? Take care.